guys, so we are near the Eiffel Tower. You can see it here. There it is. You can see a little bit of it. And I'll be doing a tour over there so that way you guys can see what to expect when traveling to France and what to expect around the Eiffel Tower. If you guys already have been to the Eiffel Tower, comment below. Let me know what your thoughts were. If you guys climbed to the top, if you thought it was worth climbing all the way to the top. There it is. We're probably gonna go up to the top because I'm here with my family, my mom and my stepdad and my husband, and this is my mom's first time in Paris, so they're gonna definitely want to go all the way to the top. We came, this is my third time in Paris, so I've already been to the top, but I'll probably just go back up there for, you know, just for them, so that way they can get a nice view of the city. Here it is. And this here are some of the streets that you can take that lead up to the Eiffel Tower. They also have a lot of guys here selling Eiffel Towers, big, small ones, little keychains for different prices. I'm setting up this little stand there to sell them. €5 for €1.
Yes. 5 for euro. Take 5. Come on.
They have another kiosk over there where they sell ice cream, crabs, water, beer, soda. And I also like that they have a bunch of little benches where you can sit down and take a break if you're tired of walking. Hey guys, so these are the prices here. 16 euros to go up halfway through the elevator, and 10 euros if you're going to use the stairs. Now if you want to go all the way to the top, is 19.90 euros to take the elevator, and to take the stairs, and 26.10 euros to take the elevator to go all the way up. Here are the prices. They have all kinds of different magnets, different pastries. They have the macaroons and the croissants, chocolate croissants. They look amazing. Here are the prices. I always show prices because I feel like, I don't know, they're helpful for people who want to travel out here so that way they know what to expect. Hey guys, so I'll definitely be coming at night to get some footage of the Eiffel Tower at night because that's a totally different experience, and I will bring you guys along with me so that way you guys can see the Eiffel Tower by nighttime and see what it's like to walk around the Eiffel Tower at nighttime. I will be putting up more footage obviously of different parts of Paris so that way you guys can know what to expect when coming out here. I'll be doing a food tour. I'm also going to be going to I'm gonna be doing a walking tour around the Louvre, which is really cool. And we're gonna try, because since we have a car, we're gonna try and drive to the countryside, maybe to Versailles. I don't know, I'm not sure how far that is. I think it's like an hour, but that would be nice to get some footage from out there, and I'll let you guys see that. I'll bring you guys along with me. All right, take care guys. Hey guys, thank you for watching all my videos. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and go ahead and click on some of my other videos so that way you guys can see the tour that I did in Italy, and let me know in the comments below what you think.